Lufthansa Aviation Training is using YouTestMe as a fully digitized web application which replaces an outdated e-test application and paper test. This not only benefits the environmental aspect but simplifies the handling on-site in the classroom drastically. But the most important aspect is that it eases out the test taking of our candidates in the training facility and the audition of the test results of our customers. In the aviation sector, we do have very strict regulations that requires airplane operating staff to be constantly trained and assessed to keep their licenses valid. Here YouTestMe comes in place. With the web application, we are providing an intuitive and digitized platform for our aviation training center that helps us keep track of each and every test attempt of candidates. The application also allows candidates to practice anywhere they want to be fully prepared for their assessment. With YouTestMe, we have a modern platform that provides us a digitized, versatile and intuitive tool to set up tailored test scenarios for all our customer needs. For us, the system has its advantages by supporting so many use cases and test scenarios out of the box. Also, the setup of a test is very easy with YouTestMe. Additionally, we are very happy with the amount of control we have over all our data, questions, tests and the available statistics and reports in the system. Our business is heavily regulated by multiple authorities and the aviation law. This requires us to have an end-to-end control over published tests, contain questions in those tests and the results of our candidates. YouTestMe helps us to meet those regulations by providing us all the needed data within the system combined with a configurable permission set. What is also very helpful is the full audit trail on application user. This not only helps support requests but also provides us with a very detailed information about the usage of the system. Whether it be the history of a single question, the change of a setting on a test, or the statistics on how well candidates performed on questions and tests. All data is available and can be given access to. Personally, as an application manager with the responsibility of supporting the application, I have to say the impersonate user function. This function allows me to simulate a user and helps troubleshooting a lot. But from a general point of view, I would say the test wizard of creating tests might be the best feature. The wizard makes sure you cover all the available options and will guide you through the creation of a test.
First user of the new system was the European Flight Academy, the pilot school of Lufthansa Group. They're using YouTestMe for training and testing purposes during the 2-year course to become a pilot. With implementation of the new system, we also started to move all license-relevant testing from Swiss to YouTestMe. After a short transition period, all cabin and cockpit crews of Swiss use the system for the license training. Furthermore, we are onboarding other airlines from the Lufthansa Group as well as external customers to the system with focus on the license-relevant testing. For our training center, YouTestMe brings a clever way on how to distribute tests to the candidates. We are actively using the self-enrollment options for our practice tests and protect the license tests with time-limited availability and passwords. The authorization functions allows the training center to publish tests based on permissions, which comes in handy when setting up a test environment with lots of user and different user groups, for example, cabin and cockpit personnel. Our instructors have a simple way to maintain the responsibilities of questions, question pools and tests, since YouTestMe allows to enter permissions and responsibilities directly on those items. During the implementation phase, I got to know YouTestMe as an open-minded, flexible and well-structured provider. As with any IT projects, we had to deal with unforeseen challenges, and I appreciated their pragmatic and solution-oriented approach. Thanks to our good collaboration, we were able to successfully complete the project and hand it over to the line in a strong position. Even after the initial implementation, YouTestMe is still around with weekly calls to discuss further improvement and change requests.